I got little one on the left.
We'll wait. We'll let them move. They're moving. 2, 1.
Well, first group down. I don't know how many we got. I think at least 10 or 15. Almost the whole group, I think. I think one got away. We hit, but it's right in the woods right here. Maybe I can get them, find them. But that was very frustrating. We didn't know if we were gonna get on that group. Cows, they let the cows in the silage right here that corn they just cut, and they're running all over, but those pigs didn't care. Usually they'll run from them, but pick them up, see how many we get. That was pretty good. They ran super stupid, so that helped a lot. But first group, it took us about 3 hours to get on that group, but yes, pigs in the corn.
All right. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, scoot up. Evan, scoot up. Step me, Phil. Oh, yeah.
Blend in.
Yeah, they do. Oh, right there.
Well, got about 15 more. That was big group. We couldn't get as close as we wanted to just because there is full moon, and this big wide open fields will catch you real quick. But got quite a bit. See what we got. There's some big ones in there, so hopefully we get some 300 pounders in there, but we'll see. On to the next field. So real quick, guys, this is a pretty cool footage I got. This is all corn damage. So all that darker stuff on the ground you see, that's corn that's got pushed over, and the pigs just ate the corn off of it. This field was cut in silage, of course, but still, that's a lot of damage, and this field goes on for miles, and it's just like that. They just get in a single file line and just start pushing it down. Very hard to get in here when these fields are standing, but now, time it's cut, time to get to work. Truck's full, guys. That was 13 out of that group. Not bad. We're gonna go check one more big cornfield, call it a night. Well, guys, thank y'all for watching the video. Make sure to like, comment down below what y'all want to see next. I'll answer all our comments. But real quick, if you are in the market for a thermal or night vision or even a tripod, y'all need to go check out Casey at Nugget Night Vision. He's been helping us over the years getting all these new optics in our hands and testing them out. So y'all go check him out. I'll leave a description down below. Till next time, God bless.